Hey, good evening, guys. Peter Rate with Iconic Day Trading once again. Just wanted to do a quick little update on some trades that we've taken past couple days. And again, if you're not familiar with what we do, I am 3 weeks in now to live day trading, mentoring, and chat room. Full audio. All of my traders are on audio, in addition to our chat box. I am available throughout the trading day to answer any questions. I do step-by-step walkthroughs of all my trades live via screen share, and I'm also available for one-on-one live chart reviews after hours with a simple phone call or email request. I take trading very serious. I am a trader by nature. I always will be a trader. I just feel there's a lot of, for lack of better words, BS out there right now as far as people trying to take your money and not get anything in return. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to save the new traders a lot of money by teaching you the right way to trade and giving you the fundamentals so you can learn how to trade on your own, and shorten your learning curve. There's no doubt about it. There's going to be a learning curve, and it's my job just to make it uh, less expensive for you and faster for you. And the one-on-one personal touch, it is there's no one else out there that is providing this service to you. And being that I am a proven professional trader for over 20 years, trading full time now for going on 6 years, my trades speak for themselves. I am a former chat room moderator. I decided to go off on my own and teach as well as trade. So I'm a real trader taking real trades with real money, and it's live step by step as I take them. And again, I am at your disposal during market hours. All you do is speak up and ask me a question. I'll pull up your chart. I'll walk you through the trade. I'll tell you when to get in, tell you when to get out, and explain to you why, which is very, very important. So my website is iconicdaytrading.com. Here is my contact information. There are some testimonials that I started to put up. There's a trade review section on there. Has a little video, kind of explains a little bit about how I trade, why I trade the way I trade, and to contact us for more information. There is a membership application questionnaire. I want to make sure that the people that are in the room actually have a passion and are dedicated and have a discipline to want to become a bona fide professional day trader and not just in it to make the fast buck. If you're in it to make the fast buck, I am not the right guy for you. I keep my room very small. I do not want a large room. I want a room full of passionate traders that want to learn how to trade and learn how to make money the right way, because the more of those types of individuals I have in a room, the better our little circle, as I call it, our iconic circle, the stronger that we're going to be. We just got a great new moderator, a fantastic addition, Shoshana. Her Twitter is at Shanak10. She is a fantastic, fantastic addition to Iconic Day Trading. Her specialty is the smaller cap stocks, which is huge because I know a lot of people these days have smaller accounts. I like to trade the mid to high price stocks, and Shoshana does the small caps, and she makes some amazing calls. I'll go over a few of them right now because I'm running out of time. So anyway, check out my my webpage, iconicdaytrading.com. Any questions, please reach out to me. So the first chart we're going to go over was, I gotta move this over so you can see it. Bear with me here. Okay, so I called this trade live in the room, and this is one of those shame on me, what was I even thinking moments. I should go sit in a corner and be by myself. This is a chart of TW. I believe this is 2 days ago. I called this break. I'm like, guys, look for this break of the 131s. I think it's 131s. Yeah, 131 break. I even drew a trend line. I'm like, guys, if this breaks the 131s, take it short. Okay. I got caught up in another trade. I missed that break, even though it was called. So here we go. Came down at base, and I do another trend line. Simple trend line. Here it is on a 5-minute. It's even more clear in a 5-minute. This trade was a no-brainer. Minimal risk with the 9-period moving average. Simple breakout. So it came down. It tested the area of 129. I reminded my members, okay, guys, I missed it. If it breaks, the 129s again, go in full short. Came up, tested the 20-period moving average, rejected it, broke the area, and it came all the way down to 122. So that was about an 8-point trade with a 75 cent stop. Beautiful trade, called live. I missed the whole trade, so I need to go sit in the corner. But these are the kind of trades that we do, and this was called live in the room, and some traders did take it. I just happened to miss it, but I just wanted to show it to you because it's a beautiful setup. And we trade trending stocks. We don't trade overcrowded stocks. We don't trade for 20 or 30 cents. We trade with the trend. Simple as that. Next chart we're going to do MCRB. This was a hot IPO from a couple days ago. This was either second or third day. I was able to get shorts from my broker. A lot of clearing firms or a lot of brokers don't allow IPOs. The firm that I trade with located me some shorts. Of course, I had to pay for them, but it worked out. So I got myself here in a little bit of a jam. I did some advanced trade management, worked my way out of it. Okay, but you see, I drew a trend line here for all of our members. So once this breaks this 40s, okay, you got the moving average cross. Okay, once it breaks the 40s, you go in full short. Okay, so as soon as it broke, I tried to go short. Tried to go short again. It was under the SSR. So I didn't get filled until around 38.15, 39, somewhere 38.15 to 38.19, somewhere around there. I finally got short with the SSR. I should have shorted up here anticipating the break. But this thing was such a beast on its IPO day, I wanted to make sure it was going to fade. So anyway, I scalped it. I got a nice point out of it, even though I was late to the party. But it was just a beautiful trade. And again, minimal risk, was coming off the 9-period moving average, never breached the 9-period moving average, covered, got a nice point out of that trade. Next trade we have, TSO is from today. This one I did not take, but I know we have some members in the room take this trade. This is a perfect example of why moving averages are so important in my trading methodology. They tell me when to exit and when to enter a position. Okay, this is a perfect stair-step pattern. This is the perfect example of buy the dip. Okay, came up, open range breakout, you buy it. It comes down. It tested 20-period moving average on the 5-minute chart. It did not breach it. It's still along. You add to it, ride it up. It's getting a little toppy. Could be a double top here. Okay, it's okay. It might be a double top. Came down, touched the 20-period moving average on the 5-minute. Did not breach it. You either add to it or you stay long. Came back up again. Same exact thing happened now. You got rid of this high from the previous high. It broke out. Okay, so got nice volume coming in, came down to the 20-period moving average, didn't breach it, no reason to sell it. Ride it all the way up to the top. And this was just a beautiful example of a stair-step trade, riding the moving average all the way up. And it never gave you a reason to sell this stock, this TSO today. Just a beautiful, simple trending trade. Last few that I have, this was a beautiful trade all day today. This ACE as well as CB. We'll start with ACE. This is an opening trade that I took. This was up because they were buying CB, and there's no reason that this stock should have been up at all because they were actually the ones that were acquiring, and their stock should have been down and not should have been up. So regardless, the 115 was a perfect short. I waited till the open. I got short here, almost bottom ticked it here at 107. I covered at the 50-period moving average. nice point, and I think it was like 1.36 I made on this trade in one candle. Just a beautiful, beautiful fast scalp out of the gate. Then, if you want to take that a little bit further, you pull up the 1 minute chart, and even though I covered out of the gate, okay, I took another picture going, later on. You got short at the 110s here with the moving average cross. Just ride this all the way down to 104. Right here, you have a bottoming candle and a breach of the 9-period moving average. That would have told you, hey, it's time to get out of this trade. But if you look right here, it never broke the 9-period moving average. Never gave you a reason to get out of the short. Yes, I scalped it in the morning. I love shorting the gap ups. I did re-enter. I caught some more points on the downside. It was a beautiful trade. In addition to this, CB was another beautiful trade today as well. That just faded from the get-go, nonstop. So going back to Shoshana, these are kind of her plays, and how she does it, I have no idea, but she is gifted. So she alerted the room on this free around 260, and it spiked up. You can see it came back down and held VWAP. We added our position here in VWAP, and it came right back up. Just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. So this type of trade is what Shoshana brings to the table. She called, I think it was WPCS today, if that ticker's right. She called it at 167 this morning, and some of the room, most of the room, sold it at $3.30 around 3 o'clock this afternoon. It's just a phenomenal call. No one else makes those kind of calls like Shoshana. Day in and day out, she brings it every day. So we are very lucky to have her on our team. Two more quick charts because I have about 2 minutes left here. WSH, another quick little fade that I caught in the morning. Again, shorting the opening gap. I shorted because it did breach the VWAP right here, and it came down and rejected it, retested it, never reclaimed it, shorted again, and just ride it all the way down. So just beautiful, simple, trending trades. And the last one I have for you guys is THS. You don't see it over here, but I got short somewhere around, I'm going to guess around 80.18, 80.26, somewhere around there. Moving average cross, it breached this support right here, came all the way down, got stopped out right here because you have the moving average cross. It breached the 9-period. That's your signal to get out. Okay, or I'm sorry, it's my signal to get out. Came down, it hit the 200-period moving average. It didn't break it. That's a signal to go long. So you go long, you ride this up all the way up to 200-period moving average. It kind of hit a little resistance over here, a little double top, broke to 200, sold it, nice quick 50 or 60 cents. And then again, a little bit further, it made higher lows, moving average cross. You rode it back up from another point 30. Just a beautiful, simple trade, guys. And this is what we do every day. It's summertime. The markets are slow, but we are still finding the trades. We got a talented group of traders in Iconic Day Trading. And please come check us out. I'm a real trader, making real trades, making real money, live screen share. I'll walk you through every step of the way. IconicDayTrading.com. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk to you soon.